In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fill Constant Contact affiliate form. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Constant Contact Partner Program page. It is important to use the official page so you are applying through the correct source and reviewing the most accurate program information. Once the page loads, take a moment to look over the overview if needed so you understand that this form is for joining the affiliate or partner program and not for creating a standard customer account. When you are ready to move forward, find the Join Now or Apply Today button on the page and click it. This will take you to the affiliate application form. Make sure the page opens fully before you start entering any information so you can see all required fields and avoid missing anything important. Next, complete the application form with your personal and business details. Enter your basic information carefully and make sure everything is accurate and up to date. If the form asks for business information, fill it in exactly as it applies to you or your company. Clear and accurate details can help prevent delays during the review process. As you go through the form, check that your spelling is correct and that each field matches the type of information being requested. After that, you will need to provide information about your business model and your promotion strategy. This section is where you explain how you plan to promote Constant Contact and what kind of audience, platform, or marketing approach you use. Keep your responses honest, clear, and professional. For example, this part may be used to help the program understand whether your promotional methods are a good fit for their affiliate requirements. It is a good idea to be specific enough to show your experience while still keeping your answers concise and easy to understand. Once the form is complete, review the terms and conditions carefully. Before accepting them, make sure you understand the rules, expectations, and any policies connected to the affiliate program. Then check the box or complete the acceptance step required on the page. Finally, click Submit Application. After submitting, your application will be sent for review. At this point, all you need to do is wait for a response or follow any further instructions provided by Constant Contact. That covers everything you need to know.